Dear students, welcome to our class. Chapter 1, I am growing up. In this chapter, we will learn about living things, about how living things grow, about hobbies, about some common hobbies. Are you ready? Dears, one boy is writing, another girl is eating. These activities that you do on your own? Our first section, living things. Living things. What are living things? Do you know? Living things. Plants, animals and human beings are living things. Plants, animals and human beings are living things. All living things live and grow. All living things live and grow. Living things are plants, animals such as deer, parrot, dove, frog, cow, giraffe, snake. And human beings. Human beings. Do you know how living things grow? Small plants grow into big plants. Here you can see a small seed grow into a big plant. First small seeds, then it will become baby plants, then finally a big plant. Like that, all baby animals grow to become big animals. All baby animals go to become big animals. Here you can see one small puppy. Then it will become a dog. Down one picture, first one is calf. Then after this calf grow into a cow. Here you see chicks come out of eggs and grow into hens. Chicks come out of eggs and grow into hens. Like that, we grow from a little baby to an adult. Baby, toddler, child and adult. Adult means a fully grown person, like your mother and father. My dears, we are born as babies, right? a recently born baby is called a newborn. Newborns cannot sit up, walk or talk. Then after that, babies grow up to be toddlers. What is the spelling of toddlers? Toddlers. Toddlers are also small like babies and cannot take care of themselves. Their parents look after them and teach them to walk, eat and speak. Then toddlers grow up to be young children like us, like yours. Young children can do some activities on their own. Young children first become teenagers and in some years they become adults. Adults can do their work independently. What is the meaning of independently? Without any help. Welcome to our next session, hobbies. As we grow up, we learn many interesting things which are also fun. For example, singing, painting, dancing and stamp collection. These activities are called hobbies. Do you know? Different people have different kinds of hobbies. Cycling, swimming, knitting and gardening are some other hobbies. Do you know what is knitting? Knitting means making cloth using a thread or wool. Can you identify the hobbies of these children? First girl is dancing. Second boy is taking a photo. That means photography is his passion or hobby. The third boy is drawing a picture. Some people enjoy hobbies like clay modeling, where they make clay models of toys and other things. Some people also enjoy activities like baking, paper quilling and bird watching. What is the meaning of paper quilling? Quilling spelling is Q-U-I-Q, ling, L-L-I-N-G, paper quilling. Paper quilling means a craft activity in which paper is rolled and shaped to create designs. Next we are going to discuss about profession. Do you know what is profession? What is your parents' profession? Ask your parents. Okay. Profession means some people make their hobbies their profession. That means work. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.